Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Victory Vegas 8-ball. 106 cubic inches of V-twin fuel-injected power. This bike is a really cool custom cruiser. Nice modest ape hangers, a beautiful red leather seat, and some cool slash cut pipes. Make your big bore custom cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous 2014 Victory 8-ball, $92.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Nice. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.